Good morning, paper engineers in training. I would like to show you this. See this stuff here? This is all what I've been cutting off of this all the way along for every piece. There's so many little detail spots on this that's just being done. I'm adding stuff to it now, as you can see here. Well, what else have I got? Oh yeah, more detail work over here. Now, this is what I use. I use recycled paper out of my kitchen. It's very simple to use. It's easy to find, and these are the tools I mainly use. These Fiskars micro scissors, they make for cutting all these little parts. Fantastic. Now, I save all them little parts because they're all going to be detail. This ruler, this steel scale right here, I use it all the time. Every single build. There is not a build that goes by that I don't use this. And it is my go-to ruler of all things. Now, those are very good tweezers. Honey Bunny got me those. They work. They work exceedingly well. If you can afford to get them, get them. These here, these dental tools, all right? I have quite a few of those dental tools now. A friend of my sister's, Jackie got there. She works at a dental office, in the dentist office at the end of the year and different times through the year, throw away tools. If you can get your dental hygienist to help you, you got free tools. Otherwise, you can get those at Harbor Freight. Same with this is on Amazon. Matter of fact, these mechanical pencils. Mine is a 0.5 lead. All right, that's a very good lead to use. They're rigid enough; they don't break easily, and so you shouldn't go through a lot of your end of those, which is right there, and that is graphite. It's not lead. It used to be. Okay, and good pencils. No, pencils. What's wrong with my brain sometimes? I can't believe it. Anyway, paint brushes. Oh boy. Anyway, this is one of my originals. This is probably, I don't know, 15-year-old paintbrush. I take care of my tools. I really do. And so, anyway, that is kind of an up-to-date on stuff that you need to be able to build stuff like this. And as you can see, I have lots of builds. And so, anyway, take care, Paper Army. I love you all very much. I'm glad you're in my show, and thank you for making us the most popular YouTube TV channel on the planet. And so, anyway, yeah, 2.7% of you are watching me on TV. When you think about 2.7 billion users on YouTube, 2.7% is like 72 million TVs. So anyway, you guys, I love you all. Take care. Thank you for watching my shows, and thank you for hyping my videos. I'm going to try to do at least 1 or 2 a week. Try to make 3. I don't know if I'll make it or not. But anyway, salute, Paper Army.